Good morning. Let's go start our today's lesson. Today's lesson, them amazing human facts. Action for 11th grade in Kazakhstan and Unit 3. Today's learning objectives. You use speaking and listening skills to solve problems creatively and cooperatively in groups. Develop intercultural experience without reading and discussion. Use talk or writing as a means of reflecting on and exploring a range of perspectives on the world. Understand the specific information in unsupported extended talk on a wide range of general and curricular topics. And you will learn some new vocabulary and introduce human brain facts. Now, today's new vocabulary. Repeat with me, please, and write your copybooks or dictionary. Let's go. Cerebrum, cerebellum, brainstem, pituitary gland, hypothalamus, hippocampus, amygdala. Now, parts of the brain. Human brain facts. Read and listen the text. Use the words involved to label the pictures. Open your books at page 35. A human brain weighs about 1 or 4 kilograms. It's divided into 2 hemispheres. It has 3 main parts. First part is the cerebrum, the largest part of the brain. It processes information from what we touch, see, and hear. It's also center for speech, learning, and emotion. Second is cerebellum, the part at the back of your brain. It controls movement and balance. The brainstem connects the brain and the spinal cord, which together make up the central nervous system. Now, please watch the video.
The human brain. The human brain is the central organ of the human nervous system, and it controls most of the activities of the human body. A human brain weighs about 1.4 kilograms and is divided into 2 hemispheres. The brain consists of 3 main parts: the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the brainstem. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It processes information from what we touch, see, and hear. It's also the center for speech, learning, and emotion. The cerebellum is the part at the back of your brain. It controls movement and balance. The brainstem connects the brain and the spinal cord, which together make up the central nervous system. Underneath the cerebral cortex are several important structures, including the hypothalamus, the pituitary gland, the amygdala, and the hippocampus. The hypothalamus is very small, but it regulates body temperature, blood pressure and hormones, and controls hunger and thirst. The pituitary gland is connected to the hypothalamus. It secretes hormones and links the nervous and endocrine systems. There is one amygdala in each hemisphere of the brain. They are primarily responsible for emotions. The hippocampus is concerned with memory. What other structures of the brain can you name? Can you describe their main functions?
Our lesson, again read the text and use the words in block to label the pictures. Good. So next is there is a read the text and write the words. The text is about limbic system. You will listen text again and read. There is some new vocabulary. You will learn the words. Good. Now, second part is new words. There is some new words. Open your book at page 36. There is a brain game, the future of brain technology. So please read with me, please. Brain disorder, brain technology, computer interface, enhance, fire, generate, harness, implant, imprint switch, nerve, impulse, neural dust, prosthetic limb, speech recognition, stem cell, stimulate. Okay, please, our copy books and repeat, learn new vocabulary. Okay, well done. Now for attention, the pictures. There is about brain game, the future of brain technology. Some new facts. You will watch the video.
Brain game, the future of brain technology. What type of brain technology could become a part of our lives in the near future? BCI technology. Although brain-computer interface technology already exists, it is set to become even more widely used in the future. One area where BCI technology is particularly useful is in that of people with paralysis or other similar conditions. For example, the famous scientist Stephen Hawking used a computer interface in order to generate speech. In the future, we can expect even more sophisticated systems such as brain-controlled prosthetic limbs and thought-powered smartphones. Neural dust. Scientists have been developing neural dust that would allow our brains to communicate digitally with the world around us. So far, they have managed to get one of these tiny devices to detect which neurons are firing, and are now working on making the device stimulate neurons in response to radio signals. The creators of this technology hope that in the future, this amazing implant will be capable of firing nerve impulses in motor areas of the brain and will allow paralyzed people to walk again. Mini brains. Scientists have managed to grow a tiny 3D brain using stem cells. This amazing breakthrough allows scientists to learn so much more about brain disorders and how the brain works without harming any people. Scientists have been experimenting with giving these brains a blood supply, which gives them the potential to grow much bigger. These larger brains even have the potential to receive an input, allowing scientists to further investigate the sensory and association areas of the brain. Thought-powered typing. Speech recognition technology is not really appropriate for use in office settings or in public. The Silent Speech Project is currently working to harness the signals from your brain and turn them into words, allowing you to type using your thoughts. This technology could allow us to type up to 100 words a minute, much faster than any current BCI speech generation technology.
Now, read the text and listen with video. There is a text about brain gain, the future of brain technology. First, technology A, BCI technology. Second is mini brains. Third is Sunday in the brain. Fourth, typing with your result. Okay, you will read the text. After reading the text, you will complete exercise 3. There is a exercise 3. Read the text and for questions 1 or 8. Choose the from the brain technologies A or D. Which brain technology? First, is a very small device. Which brain technology? A, B, C, D. Choose the brain technologies. Is the for text. Second is, will be able to work at a high speed. Fourth, allows research without experimenting on humans. Fourth, has already been in use for a number of years. Fifth, will solve a problem users experience with the current type of technology. Sixth, can aid scientists researching brain function. Seventh, could help people who cannot use their limbs. Eighth, is known for helping someone speak. Okay, choose their correct forms. So ends today's lesson. Thank you for attention. Goodbye.